wasn't one particular thing, it was just getting able to see each individual type of fire system. So instead of concentrating on one or two, we got a wide array, a little bit of a lot. I would. I think the class was valuable. I was here to observe. Most of the employees with Johnson Controls are newer employees, to get kind of a hands-on of a wide array of different systems, but I think the next class may be a little more technical, or maybe even on I was talking to some of the gentlemen about the fire alarm portion, and maybe just expanding, into another area would be fine. Well, the training is, is right up there with safety. It's one of the things, if you're only as good as your worst employee. So we're very big on training. We want our people to do a good job and a thorough job and be able to sleep at night. And in the event of a fire, we know our stuff's going to work.